Meaning of depth.
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 Depth. Depth refers to the measurement or extent of something from top to bottom or from front to back. It is a three-dimensional characteristic that can describe physical objects as well as abstract concepts such as emotions or knowledge. The depth of an object can affect its appearance and functionality, as well as the way it is perceived by humans. In photography and film, depth of field is used to create a sense of realism and depth perception. Overall, depth is a key factor in our understanding and interactions with the world around us.